Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a quick kind of update, this one's been moving after hours. So right now it's right around 27.25, but the tricky part there to remember is, we still have all of after hours, and then you all have pre-market. So where this opens, I'm not quite sure, but there has been some continued movement, in the after hours. But overall, a very bearish day. I mean, out of the opening gates, this thing just absolutely plunged to the downside. So a rough start. To give some credit where credit's due, at least the bulls were able to level things off and then even create a bit of a bounce right here. But as I just showed, assuming that the price opens up where it's currently at right now, then that means that the price is actually, down below this area here. So this whole bounce has been violated and destroyed, and now the price is down around that area, which also brings about the first interesting location from a technical perspective, and that is based off of this area down here at $27.20, which again, like I just showed, is essentially right where the price is right now. But again, remember that there's still a lot of time after hours and then pre-market where it could open up much higher. Who knows, maybe it'll even break down below there. But this is a very historic area. You can see this 27.20 mark acted as support there, got the nice bounce, acted as support right there, got the nice bounce. So we'll see if this level can hold or not. And I should note that this is not like some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you there's lots of people watching and wondering this very same thing. And I bring that up because when there are a lot of people watching and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very nice price movements. So we'll see what happens with it at $27.20 area. In the event the price does not hold above that level, next key overarching level of support would be down there at, let's see, where is that? The $27 mark, technically $26.95, but let's just call it 27. So going into Friday, 27.20 and then 27 are going to be the two key areas of resistance. In the event there's any sort of bounce to the upside, the main levels of resistance to keep an eye on are going to be the moving averages right there, which on my chart are the pink line denotes the 200 period moving average. The purple line denotes the 50 period moving average. So rough day today. We'll see if the price can try to turn things around or not to close out the week tomorrow on Friday. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.